Hello guys, welcome to the Saka Fresh channel. And we're playing MM2.
Where's the game board?
Huh?
Where's the game board that you made in the Girl Scouts?
What's that?
The game board. The games that we're gonna play one by one.
Oh, that!
When I accidentally left.
Where is it?
Confirmation.
It's like the notebook is broken, but wait, let me check.
Kailan mo nang i-click yung parent.
But first we have to play MM2.
What number are we?
The MM2 is wait, let me check. It's because there's so
Do we
much
even have
game.
MM2 in the board?
Yes, we do.
Oh, really?
Wait, it's in number 22.
Number 22.
Yes.
What number are we now?
I don't know. We've been playing random ones.
That's why.
Innocent.
You're innocent.
Yes. Wait, I need shift lock. I love using shift lock. I'm whoever thinks I'm a iPad kid, I'm a tablet kid. Tablet kid, not an iPad kid.
I'm a tablet kid.
I'm
not
a
an
tablet
iPad
kid.
Wala pa kaming manok.
I will
Walang
follow
kargahan.
you. Man! My lag is lagging.
Wala pa kaming manok. Nakaka-harvest lang.
Ito ulit itong gamit.
Arky,
Someone.
Arky, my lag is lagging. Oh. My lag is lagging.
Where's the sheriff?
Bro, Arky, my lag is lagging. Yo, my lag is lagging.
Oh, ayaw. Ayaw payagan.
I had a chance to grab the gun.
Tinawag ka ni Mama Men.
Hindi.
Arky, my lag is lagging. Yo, Arky. Arky, can I ask you something? Arky, can I ask you something?
Yeah, what?
My lag is lagging.
Shut up. Of course your lag is lagging. The train station. I like to be sheriff there.
I always like to be sheriff of the workplace.
I like to be sheriff at the office.
What the? Yo, do not do that. What the? Huh? Innocent.
Wait,
Where are you?
I know where to hide. Follow me.
I don't know where you.
Go inside.
Inside what?
The place. Here, follow me.
Dude, my lag is actually lagging though.
Wait. Oh. My lag is low.
Kasi Arky walang kulit.
Oh. Let's collect coins. Kailangan mo nga ng email sa iyong parent.
Imagine there's only hackers that are trying to collect all the coins.
Yes.
Speaking about hackers, there's none.
Yeah. Sa isang server, tatatlo lang kami, dalawang member sa kanila.
Someone, I saw someone's knife. I saw a knife on the door. That means I think I know Wait, is based on the knife.
Walang hurong.
Lalagyan ng oras ulit yan. Wala.
Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up,
Oh,
eat
I
it,
can't
eat
go
it,
inside.
eat it,
Wait, go Aladdin
eat it
Way.
up, eat it up, eat it, eat it, eat it up, eat it up. Someone got killed.
Lord.
It's this
Just collect
bacon is
coins.
fine. That bacon is good. That's innocent or sheriff.
I want to be sheriff. So
Eat
bad.
it up. Remember my aim at my tablet?
Yeah.
Bro, whenever I'm using my tablet, my aim sucks. Whenever I'm using a phone, my aim is good.
Whenever I use a tablet, my aim is good. I broke ankles. Broken ankles deserves treatment.
Yeah, my
I was
lag
the
is actually I'm lagging.
At least invite Raiden, man.
Oh, your cousin is here.
Yes. Guess Robux.
Uh,
And I'm broke.
I do have Robux, but it's only one left.
Skillage. Skillage. Invite Raiden, man. I already invited Raiden.
Skillage sounds
Okay.
like a spinach.
What do you mean, spinach?
Spinach.
I'm the cheese with
Dollar and
You got
ubiquitous burger. What is burger? What?
Hey, shut it.
Innocent.
Innocent.
So I get that
I kinda want to have the beach map again.
Give a day. Since I've been here. Oh, wow.
I just wanted to go here, man. I love it. It's so fun. This song is I know, it's Mabuta.
No biolabi like house tumor.
Okay.
I'm a little bit sick. Okay, guys. Okay. Ice cream pizza.
Ice cream better.
Who are you? It's
Ice
away.
cream better.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.